What's up, everyone? It's the future calling. AI is exploding right now, and that means a ton of new opportunities. Whether you're already in tech or looking to level up your skills, having a handle on AI is only going to get more important. We're talking about some serious earning potential here. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 free AI courses that can give you a head start in this rapidly changing landscape. These aren't your average online classes either. We're talking about top-notch resources that can actually translate into real-world skills. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the latest tech trends and how to use them to boost your career. First up, we're kicking things off with Elements of AI, a course created by the University of Helsinki and Reactor. Now, don't let the name fool you. This course is designed for everyone, even if you're completely new to the world of AI. Elements of AI breaks down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, making it super approachable and easy to digest. We're talking practical examples, real-world applications, and a learning experience that won't leave you feeling lost in the source. This course doesn't just throw jargon at you and call it a day. You'll dive into the core principles of AI, like problem solving, machine learning, and neural networks. You'll learn how these technologies work, what their limitations are, and how they're already impacting our lives in ways you might not even realize. Think of it like building a strong foundation. Once you understand the basics, you can start exploring more advanced AI concepts with confidence. And the best part? Elements of AI is completely self-paced. You can learn at your own speed and on your own time. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what can I actually do with this knowledge? Elements of AI doesn't just stop at theory. It connects the dots between AI concepts and real-world applications. You'll see how AI is being used in industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, giving you a glimpse into potential career paths. This course is all about empowering you with a practical understanding of how AI is shaping the world around us. If you're ready to dip your toes into the world of AI, Elements of AI is the perfect starting point. It's free, accessible to everyone, and lays a solid groundwork for further exploration. Plus, having this course under your belt shows potential employers that you're serious about upskilling and staying ahead of the curve in a tech-driven world. Trust me, in the near future, understanding AI won't just be a bonus skill, it'll be essential. So, head over to their website and start learning today. The future of your career might just depend on it. Next up, we're talking about a powerhouse in the AI game, Google. They're not just using AI to power their products, they're also committed to making AI education accessible to everyone with their Google AI for Everyone course. This course is taught by no other than Andrew Ng, a leading figure in the world of AI and a co-founder of Coursera. So, you know you're learning from one of the best in the business. And the best part? It's completely free and available on Coursera, making world-class AI education available at your fingertips. One of the things I appreciate about this course is that it cuts through the hype surrounding AI. You're not just bombarded with buzzwords and technical jargon. Instead, Google AI for Everyone focuses on giving you a clear understanding of what AI can and cannot do. You'll learn how to identify realistic AI opportunities, separate hype from reality, and understand the practical implications of AI in various industries. This course is all about giving you a realistic and grounded perspective on the power and limitations of artificial intelligence. Now, let's talk about why this course matters for your career. Google AI for Everyone doesn't just teach you about AI in a vacuum. It connects the dots between AI concepts and real-world applications, showing you how businesses are leveraging AI to solve problems and drive innovation. Whether you're interested in marketing, finance, healthcare, or any other field, this course will open your eyes to the transformative potential of AI. We're living in a world that's becoming increasingly powered by AI. Google AI for Everyone equips you with the knowledge and skills to navigate this changing landscape. Even if you're not aiming to become an AI engineer, understanding the fundamentals of AI will be crucial for making informed decisions and staying ahead of the curve in your career. Plus, having Google's name on your resume certainly doesn't hurt. So, if you're ready to demystify AI and unlock its potential, be sure to check out Google AI for Everyone on Coursera. So, you're hyped about AI, right? But you also want to make sure it's used for, good in the world. That's where Deep Learning AI's AI for Good specialization comes in. This isn't just about coding algorithms, it's about understanding the potential of AI to tackle some of humanity's biggest challenges. We're talking about using AI to fight climate change, improve healthcare, advance education, the kind of stuff that really matters. This course dives deep into how AI can be a force for positive change, and it equips you with the knowledge to be a part of that movement. Think about it. Using AI to diagnose diseases in remote areas, optimize energy grids for sustainability, or personalize education for every student. That's the power of AI for good, and this specialization gets you thinking about those possibilities from day one. It's not just tech, it's tech with a purpose. Now, we all know AI has its challenges, right? Bias, fairness, transparency, these aren't just buzzwords, they're real issues that need careful consideration. That's why this course puts a huge emphasis on ethical AI development. You'll learn about the ethical implications of AI, how to identify and mitigate bias in algorithms, and the importance of building responsible and inclusive AI systems. It's like learning to drive a supercar. You need to understand its power and handle it responsibly. Think about facial recognition, for instance. It's a powerful tool, but it can also be used in ways that are discriminatory. This course helps you understand those nuances so you can build and deploy AI systems that are ethical, fair, and benefit everyone. Okay, let's talk about getting your hands dirty. This specialization isn't just theoretical. You'll be working on real-world projects that address actual social and environmental challenges. Want to build an AI model that predicts natural disasters? How about developing an algorithm that personalizes learning for students from different backgrounds? This course lets you do that. You'll gain practical experience in applying AI to real-world problems, collaborating with others, and developing solutions that can make a tangible difference. It's like having a workshop where you're not just learning about tools, you're building something meaningful with them. This hands-on approach is where the AI for Good specialization really shines. It's not just about acquiring knowledge, it's about applying that knowledge to create a positive impact. And that's what makes it so unique and valuable. Let's be real, having AI for Good on your resume, that's a serious signal to potential employers. It shows you're not just skilled in AI, but also passionate about using it for social good. In today's world, companies are actively seeking individuals who can not only build AI systems, but also understand their ethical implications and potential for positive impact. This specialization equips you with those in-demand skills and a unique perspective that sets you apart from the crowd. You're not just an AI engineer, you're an AI engineer with a conscience, and that's a powerful combination. So, if you're ready to future-proof your career while making a real difference in the world, Deep Learning AI's AI for good specialization is the real deal. It's challenging, it's rewarding, and it prepares you for a future where AI is used to build a better tomorrow. All right, moving on to our fourth pick, we've got IBM's AI Engineering Professional Certificate. Now, IBM's been a major player in the tech space for, well, forever, and they're bringing that expertise to the table with this program. This one's really geared towards those of you who want to get your hands dirty with the actual engineering side of AI. Think building models, working with algorithms, that sort of thing. It's not just theory here, you're going to be diving deep into the practical stuff. And, let's be real, having IBM backing your AI education carries some serious weight. It shows potential employers you're not messing around. You're serious about this AI thing. So yeah, if you're looking to build a solid foundation in AI engineering, this IBM program could be the move. This certificate program packs in a ton of content. We're talking machine learning, deep learning, Python programming, the works. They break it down into bite-sized courses, so you're not overwhelmed. You'll start with the basics, build your skills gradually, and by the end, you'll have a solid grasp of the core concepts. But it's not just about lectures and theory. You'll actually get to apply what you're learning through hands-on projects. This is where things get really interesting because you're not just memorizing information, you're actually building stuff. And that's huge when it comes to actually understanding AI and how to use it. Plus, having those projects on your resume is a major plus when you're applying for jobs. Speaking of projects, let's talk about what you'll be building. This program includes projects that simulate real-world AI challenges. You might be tasked with creating a recommendation engine, like Netflix's, or building a chatbot that can understand natural language. It's like having a sneak peek into what it's actually like to work as an AI engineer. And the best part? You'll get feedback on your projects, so you can learn from your mistakes and improve your skills. It's like having a personal mentor guiding you along the way. So, if you're the kind of person who learns best by doing, this hands-on approach is going to be right up your alley. Now, this program is definitely more technical than some of the others on the list. So, if you're completely new to programming, or you're just looking for a basic overview of AI, this might not be the best starting point. But if you're ready to dive into the technical side of AI, you're comfortable with coding, or you're willing to put in the work to learn, then this program could be a game changer. It's a serious commitment, but the payoff could be huge. You'll be well equipped to pursue a career in AI engineering. All right, for our fifth and final free AI course recommendation, we've got something a little different. This is Microsoft's AI Classroom series. And as you might guess, it's all about getting you up to speed with practical AI skills. Now, Microsoft is no stranger to the AI game. They're deeply invested in AI research and development, and they've packed a ton of that knowledge into this series. What I like about Microsoft's approach is that it's very hands-on and career-focused. They're not just throwing a bunch of theory at you and hoping for the best. They want you to be able to actually use AI in real-world scenarios. So, whether you're looking to level up your current job or make a complete career switch into the world of AI, this series has something to offer. So, what exactly will you learn in Microsoft's AI Classroom? Well, they cover a wide range of topics, from the fundamentals of AI to more advanced concepts like machine learning and deep learning. But here's the key difference. They focus on teaching you how to use these technologies to solve real-world problems. You'll learn how to build AI-powered solutions, analyze data, and even create your own AI models. And they don't just stop at the technical stuff. They also delve into the ethical considerations of AI, which is something that's super important in today's world. So, you're not just learning how to build AI, you're learning how to build it responsibly. Another thing I appreciate about Microsoft's approach is the format of the courses. They're designed to be interactive and engaging, so you're not just passively watching videos. You'll get to participate in quizzes, work on coding exercises, and even build your own AI projects. It's a much more hands-on and practical learning experience. And because they focus on real-world applications, you'll be able to immediately apply what you're learning to your own work or projects. Whether you're in marketing, finance, healthcare, or any other industry, there's something here for you. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your career prospects and stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving tech landscape, learning AI is a no-brainer. And Microsoft's AI Classroom series provides a fantastic entry point, especially if you're looking for a practical and career-oriented approach. The best part? It's completely free. You don't need any prior experience with AI or even coding to get started. Just a willingness to learn and a desire to level up your skills. So, what are you waiting for? So, there you have it. 5 incredible and completely free AI courses that can help you future-proof your career in 2025 and beyond. We covered everything from the fundamentals of AI with elements of AI to Google's user-friendly AI for everyone program. We explored the ethical implications of AI with deep learning, AI's specialization, and then dove deep into the technical side with IBM's AI Engineering Professional Certificate. And of course, we wrapped up with Microsoft's AI Classroom series, which focuses on practical skills and real-world applications. Remember, the links to all these courses are in the description below. No matter your skill level or background, there's a course out there for you. The AI revolution is here, and the best time to start learning is now. So go out there, embrace the future, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.